Sarah Gindra was there. She's here now.
Yeah, became one with the commuters today. You know, guys, we see this from the helicopter a lot, these incidents involving trains or, hitting pedestrians, hitting vehicles. And when an accident happens on the train tracks, of course, it first and foremost impacts the person or people hit and their families, but also it impacts the train engineers, the conductors, the responding police officers, the coroner. So Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railroad got representatives from each of those groups together today to help promote safety on the tracks, and we were there riding along with them.
Kind of like a lookout.
As police officers take turns riding shotgun on this BNSF train today, they've got their eyes on the rails.
If there's going to be any people on the tracks when the gate arms are down, any trespassers, any vehicles that decide to go around the gate crossing arms as they go down.
If anyone goes past the gates, they radio down to the officers on the ground to remind the pedestrians and cars of the law. Back on board the train, railroad workers and first responders pass out information to riders. They want people to stay safe on the tracks.
I see people, they put a lot at risk.
Because they see the worst all too often. In just the first 5 months of this year, trains have hit 60 vehicles and 16 pedestrians in Illinois. 26 people injured, 22 killed.
As an engineer, that's very emotional because you see that, or you see what's about to happen long before they do.
When a crash turns deadly, it's emotional for many people.
It's very difficult because we know what's happened or we wouldn't have been called. So it's very devastating.
As police and the coroner investigate these devastating incidents, Metra has the job of keeping the passengers on board safe and informed.
Yes, it does delay our trains. Yes, that's an inconvenience. But we always have to remember when something like that happens, it's someone's life. Someone lost a loved one.
The BNSF Railroad hopes the event it organized today will help prevent tragedies on the tracks. By bringing the railroad workers and responding agencies together, they were able to build relationships with each other to help strengthen their enforcement and response. Because in the end, everyone has the same goal.
We can just make them think and focus on what they're doing. I think they can get home to their family and we can get home to ours. And